Okay, so on the front of our packet, today is Thursday the 19th. The agenda's on the sideboard. I'm going to do the warm up with you. We're going to do problem number 2, and then I'm going to go over the homework, okay? I'm going to go over the homework. I'm going to model slope for you because we're going to do our retake on slope tomorrow, okay? We didn't get a whole lot of lessons in, so that's all we're going to do is the retake. And then I'm going to, if we have enough time after the retake, then I'll start going over how to write equations. If not, that's okay. We'll start that process on Monday. All right, and we're going to practice. I want to make sure that we understand how to calculate slope so that we can do a much better job on our quiz um, tomorrow, our retake. So we're doing a retake quiz tomorrow on slope, and I'm going to take the highest out of the two. If we have time, then I'll do a teacher model. If we don't, it's okay. All right. Tonight, I need you to study your notes on slope and make sure you complete your packet so that you can submit it tomorrow. Excuse me, y'all. Planner, don't forget that tomorrow I'm taking up your interactive notebook, so we won't have time to do teacher model because come to think about it, I need to grade it and get it right back to you. So I'll grade the notebooks tomorrow in class. Study slope. Make sure that you complete your homework. Remember, the interactive pages are on Canvas. Math 8, study slope, interactive notebook, it's due tomorrow. I'm abbreviating the interactive notebook, INB, due tomorrow. Make sure that you complete your homework. Please write your homework down so that you don't forget. I'm going to pause for the calls, give us a chance to write that down. Okay, let's look at the warm-up. A gym membership charges an initial fee. So automatically have to pay the dollar, I wish, right? $125. Automatically have to pay that amount. Plus, so we're going to put plus $25 every single month. So it's going to be $25 times the number of months every single month. So if it's 5 months, you're going to substitute 5 for M months. You're going to say 5 times 25 plus the $125. Okay? This is equal to the total, and we're going to put T for total. Another gym, so this is another equation, charges $50 every month. So it's going to be 50 times the number of months. And that's it. No starting fee. So the total for the second gym is just $50 times the number of months. And those are the two equations. Later on, I will show, well, actually, it says when will the totals of both be the same? So you're going to set these two equal to each other and solve for M. So that's one, let me start at the top so I can have some space. 125 plus 25M is equal to 50M. So we're trying to find M. When is M going to be the same for both? So we set it up as an equation to solve. Excuse me. All right, so now you need to get the M's to the same side. We're going to subtract 25M from both sides, moving the M's to the same side. Why subtract, Miss Reyes? Because this is a positive. The opposite of adding or a positive 25m is to subtract it. This is leaving us with 125 on this side. Bring down the equal. What's 50m minus 25m? 25m. Very good, Natalie. Now we're going to solve for m. How do we get, Kason, sit up, please. How do we get m by itself? Angel, get off your laptop, baby. Let's work on this. How do you do that? Divide. Very good. We're going to divide both sides by 25. Type this in your calculator to see what you get. What is 125 divided by 25? And that's going to be, whatever this is going to be your answer. Okay? All right, let's do that. Do that on your own. Let's turn over to the homework. Yeah, baby. I know. Wednesday. We already looked at Wednesday. Sorry, y'all. Let's look at Thursday. Hey, baby. Are you prepared to take them to the restroom? Is that okay?
First group, if you were just in Miss Farrell's, y'all have a chance to go to the bathroom. Come on. She come in late person.
Well, Bryson, did you sign in the office, baby? Okay.
Second group, any of y'all?
Okay. All right, so let's find the value of the variables in each figure. All right, it's very similar to what we did yesterday. We got to look at the relationships of the angles. Let's look at the relationship between this angle here and this angle here. I know that this angle and this angle are corresponding. So the measurement of this angle is the same as the measurement of this angle. Okay? This is 5y minus 4. Then what I know is that these two angles right here form a straight line. So I can add this angle plus this angle and set it equal to 180. Okay, so since this angle is 5y minus 4, then I can add 5y minus 4 plus 3y and set it equal to 180. So I have 5y minus 4 plus 3y equals 180. And what's my reasoning behind that? Is because the two angles are supplementary. Angles are supplementary. I'm going to pause to give you a chance to write that down. Let me zoom in a little bit. All right, so let's solve for y. In order to solve for y, we are going to combine like terms. What terms are alike here that we can combine? What terms are alike? The 5y and the 3y. What's 5y plus 3y? Very good, babe. What's 5y plus 3y? Aaliyah, close your laptop. Alyssa, y'all close your laptop, please. Say again. 8y. Very good, America. Bring down the minus 4. Bring down the equal. Bring down the 180. Now we got to get y by itself. So in order to get y by itself, we got to move the minus 4. Last section, if you have to go to the restroom, please go at this time. How do we get rid of the minus 4? We have to add 4 on both sides. So when we add 4 on both sides, this is gone, and we're left with 8y is equal to 184. Now what are we going to do to get y by itself? How do we?
Divide by 8.
Divide by 8. Very good, Haley. 8 divided by 8 gives you 1. So that's 1y. So we're going to put 1y here. Or just y, baby. And now we're going to divide. Let's divide. Type it in your calculator. What is 184 divided by 8?
23.
Very good, y'all. 23. Oh, I said one. What did I say? 184 divided by 8. Yeah. 23. I put 4, but I was supposed to put 8. It's all good. So now I have y is equal to the 23.
Yeah, it's 23.
Now I have to, I know, me too. I did the same thing. Now I have to find, the value of the x. Okay. So what I know is that these two are equal to each other. Okay. So I can set these equal to each other. I got 3y is equal to 2x plus 13. But we already found y. Y is 23. So this is 3 times 23. What is 3 times 23? Let's go ahead and type that in. What's 3 times 23?
69.
69. So we're going to put 69 here. Okay? So now we can solve for x. How do we get x by itself? What are we going to do? You said it. Subtract what number? 13. Good, baby. Subtract 13. Subtract 13. Ooh. So we're going to subtract 13 on both sides. I can't afford to put this much back. It's a lot. It's like you do 4 times 33 calculated. That's a lot of money, okay? All right, here we go. When we subtract the 13, okay, so we got 69 minus 13. What's 69 minus 13?
We don't want
Good job.
class anymore, do we?
No, we don't. No, ma'am.
Just making sure.
No, we don't. 56. This is gone, and I'm left with 2x. Now what do we do to get x by itself?
Divide.
We're going to divide both sides by what number?
56.
No. The 2. Very good. 2. That's okay, babe. So now we're going to say 56 divided by 2. So type that in. It's 28. X is equal to 28. So now we've solved all the variables, I think. We got y is equal to 23 and x is equal to 28. Okay. Let's look at the bottom. It says find the measure of each angle indicated. It's got a question mark here, so they want you to find this one. Okay. I'm going to write, we're dealing with exterior angles, so please write exterior angles here. To find the measurement of an exterior angle, you add the two opposite interior angles together. Okay? To find, super important, you're going to add the two opposite interior angles together. Oops, Miss Reyes. That's how you find the exterior angles. And I'm gonna pause to give you a chance to write that because some of us was in the restroom. So I want to make sure that we have this written for your homework, okay? Miss Peoples, how you doing? All right, y'all, let's try it. We wrote down how to find exterior angles. All right, so this is the exterior angle here, the angle that's on the outside. So we got the exterior angle is equal to the two opposite angles, two opposite interior. So the exterior is 120. It's equal to, these are the two opposite, not the one that's beside it, but the two opposite on the opposite side. Not this one that's beside it, but on the opposite side of it. This one we don't know is x plus this one we do know is 50. So now we got to find x.
Can't you do 120 from 15? I mean 50.
Well, that's what we're getting ready to do. Are we not? All right. So now what are we going to do to get x by itself? Subtract. So what's 120 minus the 50? You got a calculator. 70. Say again? 70. Good job, babe. Very good, babe. Let me make this look like a 70. It doesn't look like a 70. All right, so let's try this one. We're going to do the same thing again. Which one of these angles is the exterior angle? Which angle is the exterior? It ain't but so many, right? Which one is on the outside? 50, the x is missing, or 115. So we're going to write 115 is equal to the exterior angle is equal to the two opposite interior. So it's equal to 115 is equal to what plus what?
X plus 50.
X plus 50. Now what do we do? And Haley said this earlier.
Subtract.
We subtract 50. And I think Atiana said it too, right? Somebody? All right, so we got 115 minus 50. 115 minus 50.
He says 65 over here.
Who said 60? Langston. 65. Good job. So x is equal to 65. See if you can do 3 on your own. This one's missing. We're going to put x right here and see if you can set it up. I'm going to pause for the calls, y'all. Remember, it's exterior angle is equal to the two opposite interior. Okay? See if you can set that up. All right, good folks. So this one, you set this up. Which one of these is the exterior angle?
X.
X. Very good. What are the two interior opposite angles?
50 plus 70.
50 plus 70. So x is equal to, add this together.
102. 120.
120.
Sorry.
That's okay, baby. All right, let's look at number 4. This is the exterior angle here. So how would we set this? How would we set this up, Hayden? It's exterior equals the two opposite interior angles. Which one of these is the exterior angle? Very good. The x. So what are we going to add together? 25 plus 80. Very good. So what's 25 plus 80?
105.
All right. Now we got Miss Reyes. What are you doing? Okay. All right. Let's put this away. We don't have but 2 to do. You should be able to do those 2. Okay. Put your board in front of you so we can go over slope. You should have a marker. Let me pause for the calls. Make sure you have everything you need. Okay, we're going to go over slope. What is the definition for slope? Pause to give you a chance to write that down. What do you think the definition of slope is? And hold it up. It is the steepness of a line. The steepness of a line. It's how steep the line is. All right, there are four kinds of slope. 4 kinds of slope. Okay, let's draw 4 small graphs, and I want you to list the 4 kinds of slope.
Miss Reyes.
Yes, baby. Thank you. There are 4 kinds of slope. Look, I'm going to draw one. This is one. What kind of slope is that? What kind of slope is this? What kind of slope is this? What kind of slope is this? There are 4 kinds of slope. Pause for the calls. I need you to hold it up once you have it. First one has a positive slope. Very good, very good, very good. But the third one, please use the right word. You just describe the line. I know the line is flat, Colton, but what kind of slope is that? You used this. Yes, that's correct. Good, Haley. Starts with a Z. Mm-hmm. The first two are right. The last one is right. Okay, but that middle one is not right. Yes, very good. All right, we got 3 people's got it right. Okay, the second one. From left to right, the line is going down. So this is a negative slope. That means M here is a positive number. M here is a negative number. Okay? M here. This is a flat line, yes, but what kind of slope is it? Zero. It's zero slope. It has no steepness to it. Zero slope. That means M is equal to 0. What kind of slope is this last one? What kind of slope is the last one? Undefined. Yo, if it's wrong. We'll let you know, boy. Yeah, undefined boy. Slope. So M here is going to look like this, where you have a number or something on top and 0 on the bottom. Okay? All right. Race your board. Good job, baby. All right, so now I need you to write both formulas for slope. Slope formulas. There are 2 formulas for slope. I need you to write them both and hold them up, please. Don't be cheating. All right, so we got the first one. You got the first one. Very good. I can't tell what your bottom and your top is. It looks like it might be right. We got rise over run. Remember, your rise is how far you go up or down. Your run is how far you go to the left or to the right. So up, down is your Y. Y2 minus Y1. Left, right is your X. X2 minus X1. Those are your 2 formulas. Yep, very good, Leah. All right. Yep. Okay, so now turn to the graph. We're going to graph 2 ordered pairs, and we're going to calculate the slope. Let's graph negative. I'm going to put this up at the top so you have it. We're going to graph -2 and +5. Then we're going to graph +6 and -6. See if you can graph those 2 points, please. All right, let's graph. Let me graph this one. This is your X coordinate, Y coordinate. Very good, baby. So we're going to start, okay, at the origin. Go to the left, 1, 2. This is -2 on the X. Then we're going to go up 5 because that's +5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is where we put our point. Now we got +6 on the X. This is X. Start at the origin. Go to the right 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then go down 6. That's -6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hey, baby.
Hey, can I have Nia?
Yes. Okay. Nia. You said Nia?
Nia.
Come on, baby. She needs you.
I need you to grab a Chromebook. Do you have one?
Makeup?
Yeah.
Yep. Do you have a Chromebook or you have the borrowed one? Borrow, or you have yours? Okay, here. Use your words, Nia. I don't know what that means, baby.
And then you have two calculators.
Yes. Borrow 32, please. You said you needed two.
Yeah.
You can use this one. No, that's okay. Yeah, that's fine. I'll just use whoever's not here. I'll use their calculator.
Okay. And then you said
And 32. Yeah. All right, so we graphed those 2 points. Now, y'all, let's connect them. My line is not the best. Yours is way better than mine. Thank you, baby. All right. So now we're going to count. We're going to count rise over run, right? Because that's the formula. One of the formulas is rise over run. That's how far we go up or down. And then run is how far we go to left or right. So let's do the top number first. So I'm going to start from here to here, okay? So let's count how many spaces it take you to get from here to the same line that this point is on. So let's count. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Is it 11? Yep. So negative 11. Why is Miss Reyes putting negative 11? Because we went down 11. Now we're going to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is positive 8. Why is Miss Reyes putting positive 8? Because you went to the right. So your answer here is going to be negative 11 over positive 8. Is that simplified? Is that reduced?
No. Yes.
It is reduced. It was. It's okay. Yes, baby. Yeah. Look and see if there's one in this cup up here, please. All right. What if I did it the other way, Miss Reyes? Would I get the same answer? Let's do it. From here to here, I go up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Why is Miss Reyes putting a positive 11? Because you went up 11. Now we're going to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Why is Miss Reyes putting negative 8? I went to the left. So it's going to be positive 11 over a negative 8. These are the same answer. Your answer is the same. It's still going to be a negative answer. No, what is that not? It's not one. No more in the cup. Never mind. There's a cup on there. Here, take this one. There's a cup on the table. Just take that one, baby. Throw that one away if it doesn't work. All right, let's do another one. Okay. Let's graph this. Shh. Let's graph negative 5 and negative 6. Positive 3 and positive 4. Graph those 2 points, please. Yeah, baby. That's what I'm doing. Mine is sideways. Come on, guys. Let's do it. Are you okay? Did you already do it? Erase and do the next one. I need you to try. Giovanni, can you go to the can you take Giovanni also? I don't know that. Can you move over to this table? Do you have enough space over there? Come on, baby. Take your board and your marker and move over to the table with Miss Peoples. Good job, sweetie. Good job, baby. Julian, are you good with it? Okay. Did you graph? Your graph is off, or is unless it's upside down. You got negative, negative should be in the third quadrant. Very good, baby. Shh. Arturo, I hadn't seen yours yet. Please graph, babe. Come on, America. Very good. Very good, Casey. I'm proud of you. Okay, I hadn't seen yours yet, Enrique. Good job, baby. Okay. It's okay. It's all right. Good job. Enrique, are you okay? Do you understand how to graph them? Okay. You got to watch. Giovanni, are you watching? Miss Peoples? All right, let's graph it, okay? Let's graph -5 and -6. Perfect. So you go over to the left. We're doing this one first. Left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's -5 on the x-axis. -6 is down 6 on the y. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's graph the other. 3 and 4. Start at the origin. +3 on the x is to the right. 1, 2, 3. +4 on the y is up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And connect your points. Come on. All right, so now we're going to do rise over run. Y'all, what kind of slope is this, though? What kind? No, look at the line. Is the line going up from left to right or down from left to right? It's going up. So we already know our answer is going to be a positive number because the slope is a positive slope. Okay? All right, so let's count. You ready? We're going to do rise over run. Rise is up, down. Run on the bottom is left, right. So let's count. Starting from this and going up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. +10. Why is Miss Reyes putting +10?
She went up.
Because you went up. Okay, so now let's go to the right.
8 over.
8 over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Why is Miss Reyes putting +8? Because I went to the right. Good job. So my answer here is positive. What over what? Which number goes on the top? 10 is up, down. And 8 is left, right. So let's reduce. How do you reduce 10 over 8?
Do it the other way.
No, I don't know what you mean by do it the other way. Divide. What are we dividing by? That's okay. 2. So when we divide by 2, what does that give us? 10 divided by 2 is 5. 8 divided by 2, 4. So this is our answer. Well, Miss Reyes, what happens if you went down first? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Why is Miss Reyes putting -10?
Because you went down.
Because I went down 10. Let's count to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Why am I going to put a -8? Because I went to the left. So this is going to be -10 over -8. What's a negative divided by a negative? It's a positive. So this is still going to be positive 5 over 4. So it doesn't matter which way you go, okay? Any questions? All right, Julian, are you okay with it? You sure? Okay, so let's turn over to the back side so we can do slope by using the second formula. Okay? I just talk with my eyes. Yay! That's good. All right, so let's do these 2 points, okay? All right. This is what I'm going to do with you, and this is one you're going to do on your own. All right, we're going to do the same thing. Let's do -2, 3 positive 4, comma 8. We're going to do the slope by using the other slope formula. The other slope formula is the y's on the top. Why is y on the top? Because that's your rise. It's y2 minus y1. That's my rise. x2 minus x1. That is my run. This is my up, down. That's my y-axis. Left, right, x-axis. Hayden, please sit up, baby. Shh. Abby, please sit up. All right, y'all, here we go. Label is first. I'm going to label. What do I label this as? X, Y. This is X1, Y1. Why, Miss Reyes? Because this is my first point. X1, Y1. If this is my first point and this is how I label it, how do I label my second point? 2. All right. X2, Y2. Very good, Aaliyah. So now I'm going to substitute these numbers into this formula. Y2 minus Y1 is on the top. So what am I subtracting? What minus what? Come on, y'all. What am I going to subtract on the top? Which one of these numbers?
Negative
8. That's Y2 minus 3.
minus 3.
Mm-hmm.
And then the
bottom is what?
Negative 2.
I thought it was 4 minus
4.
negative.
It is. 4 comes first minus a negative 2. You have a calculator. Please use it, okay? What's wrong? Tell me. Okay, that's okay. Look, this is the formula, okay? Y2 minus Y1. You have to remember the formula, okay? So now you label. Do you understand that this is my first point? So I label it as X1, Y1. That's the first point. The first number is always X. The second number is always Y. So the second point is X2, Y2, because it's the second point. Okay? So now you're going to plug these numbers into the formula. Y2 is which one of these numbers? 8. So 8 goes first. Minus is a part of the formula. Y1 is which one of these numbers? 3. That's what we put on top. Got it? Bottom is X2. Which one of these numbers is X2? 4. That goes on the bottom. Minus is a part of the formula. X1. Which one of these numbers is X1? Negative 2. Do you see it now? Okay. Do what's right, baby. Yes. So on the top, what is 8 minus 3? 5. Type it in if you don't know. 4, it is 6. 4 minus a negative 2 is positive 6. Minus a negative is plus a positive, and that's going to give me 6. Is this reduced?
No.
Yes, it is. This is your answer. I want you to try this one on your own. I'll give you one. Let's do 4 and 1, negative 2 and 2. Abby, bless your heart, Jesus. Take the wheel. Giovanna, you okay? This is what your quiz is on tomorrow, okay? Mr. Who? Okay. All right, I'm going to stop the video here.